Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about this product right here. This is the Kama Ayurveda Bringadi Hair Cleanser. Now this is what the packaging of the shampoo looks like. It comes in a pump packaging and you get 200 ml of product, and this retails for 1,450 rupees on the Kama Ayurveda website. Now before I talk about all the goodness of the shampoo, let's have a quick run through the ingredients like usual. So the first couple of ingredients present in this are mild surfactants, and then they have ingredients that are known to promote, boost hair growth. And the key ingredients in this that are present, that is amla, which is known to give you good lustrous hair, promote hair growth, reduce hair fall, treat dry scalp conditions, something that has been always used. And then they have indigo extract, again can prevent premature graying and all of that. And then they have bringraj, again a very well reputed ingredient that is really good for your hair. So the key ingredients such as amla and bringraj have been there in our Indian hair care regime for the longest time and are known to give good lustrous hair and reduce hair fall. I feel like this shampoo does that, and my hair fall has predominantly reduced ever since I chopped my hair. If you guys haven't noticed, it's not as long as it was, and two, ever since I started to incorporate this shampoo into my hair care routine. So it does foam to a decent extent. However, I don't really like to go very heavy handed with the oil because I feel like it would lead to a lot of shampoo usage and may leave a little bit of oil residue by the end of the hair wash. So that's the reason I don't go very heavy handed with the oil. So I use about 2 full pumps of this shampoo and massage it gently onto my scalp, avoiding the lengths of my hair. It has a brown color and a very nice herbal scent, and I feel like it cleans my scalp really well, and it smells fresh as well after the hair wash. So once I'm done with the hair wash, I towel dry my hair, and this is how it looks like once my hair is completely dry. I feel like it looks voluminous. With regular use, I have noticed that this has repaired my brittle hair and thereby reducing the hair fall to an extent. So this SLES and paraben free shampoo is clinically proven to reduce hair fall, dandruff and oily scalp. So if you have any of these concerns, you could give this one a try. And also a quick heads up, I have noticed that ever since I've started to incorporate the shampoo into my routine, it hasn't dried my color treated hair out. That is a big deal because I have been letting you guys know that ever since I moved into this house, the water is a little bit different. So my hair was reacting differently to it, and so it was getting a little bit dry and frizzy. But ever since I've been using this shampoo, it hasn't been drying my color treated hair out, and which is a big deal for me. And I've been, sticking to my usual hair care routine. There's nothing new added to it except this one. And I feel like so far so good. I really like it, and there was not any additional product that was needed to make my hair look like this. So I like that a lot. So yeah, let me know what you think about this shampoo, and if you have tried this shampoo out, in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.